I'm Steven from Ausee Machines Tools. Today we have here Mr. Ma with us from Shanghai SIEG Machinery. Mr. Ma is General Manager of SIEG. He's here with us today to answer some questions and introduce a bit more about SIEG.
Hello, everyone.
Right, so Mr. Ma, over the years, we have customers asking a lot of questions. And I think the first one is the most important one, is how to say the brand name, SIEG. Is it SIEG? Is it SIEG or SIEG?
It's the SIEG. SIEG is a German word.
Okay.
In English, it means the victory.
Okay.
Yeah. And at the beginning of the SIEG factory, at the beginning is a joint venture. It's a German company and cooperate with Chinese company. So the owner of German company, he suggests we use the SIEG as the name, as the brand name. So this is the first original coming from.
Okay, so the SIEG is a German word.
Yes.
Also,
yes.
it means victory. Victory.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So with SIEG, can you tell us a bit more of the history? How many employees, etc.?
Yeah. Like I said, at the beginning, it is a joint venture. Yeah. It's 1988 we established the factory.
Okay.
So till today it is more than 30 years.
Wow.
Now we are in Shanghai. We have around 250 people.
Wow. So how many employees you had back then, back in 1988?
Oh, that's around 20.
Around 20?
Yeah.
So this is a big move, isn't it?
Maybe in China.
Okay.
It's not a big move.
Okay.
We have too many
but 250
people.
employees is definitely a huge in Australian standard.
But in China, it's small.
All right. Okay. So so tell us a bit more about SIEG. So in nowadays we find so many brand of machineries. So what makes SIEG stand out to be a SIEG?
Yeah. And we are focused on hobby machine. It's very difficult thing is almost all our customers and the users, they are not in China. They are in Western countries. So first we should do is more understanding of the end user, what they are thinking, what they are needing. So I spend lots of time traveled to visit different customers in different countries. And after that, we found most of our customers, they are elder people in their, before their retirement, they are not the workers in a factory to doing the machining things.
Yeah, most of our customers, they're amateurs.
Yes, they are. Maybe a doctor, a dentist, or a lawyer, or some other managers. So they need a more solid machine and easy using, and also lower cost. So
affordable.
Our job is make this happen. So in the past 30 years, we try to make a better quality machines. We focus on this, and we are an ISO 9000 certificate factory.
So you are ISO 9000 certified factory?
Yes. We have 3 factory actually. One is the manual machine. One is the CNC machine. And another one is the motor and the PC board we made by ourselves. So we have a factory.
So all the motors and control boards are in-house. Made in SIEG.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Okay.
Yeah,
so
in one roof.
In the one roof.
Yeah.
That's great. So you can have quality management.
Yes. In the past, at the beginning, we purchased the motor and the PC board from our suppliers. You know, the motor and the PC board is the most important part in the machine.
Yeah.
So we have some problem. When we have some problem, it is a disaster. When we discuss with motor factory, they
Yes.
always said it is the PC board problem.
So when you speak to the PC board factory, that's the motor problem.
Yeah.
That
So-
caused a lot of headache.
Yes. So 20 years before, we set up our own factory
Yes.
to make the motor
Yeah.
and PC board by ourselves.
Yeah.
So that is very important. We can control the quality and the cost.
Okay.
Yeah.
So over the past few years, you introduced these two beautiful machines, the SC20 and SX20. So when I first received shipment, I was like, wow, so beautiful. I've never seen a metalworking machine made this way, you know?
Yes.
So can you tell us a bit more about your initial idea why you make these machines? And I also noticed that all these machines are fully equipped with electrics.
Yes.
Yes. So what's your idea?
As I said, we knew our customers, they need more solid, higher quality product. At the same time, the machine is a hobby machine. It's used
to
at
use.
home.
Yeah, easy to use.
Yeah. They need easy to use.
Yeah.
And at the same time, they need looks better. Looks better.
Yeah.
So we put more energy into these, such as a brushless motor system, electrical system, and the good-looking, outlooking.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
And 2 or 3 years before, when I was in a shopping mall, I saw that somebody was selling the LED displayed clock. It's a square clock with an LED characters. I thought maybe we can use this on our machine.
Yeah.
So I bought one.
Yeah.
When I take it at home and I disassemble it.
You disassemble the clock.
Yeah. And I see what inside. And after that, I called my engineer and asked them if they can do that. Yeah, I just explained that, we have a motor and PC board factory. We have engineer.
That's easier for you to do, right? To make the change.
Yeah.
make
So
such
they
move.
said, okay, it is not a problem. We can do that.
Yeah.
So they made it.
Yeah.
They made it. Yeah. So we make 2 series of this product. We call it LED mirror display machine. Yeah. One is the lathe.
Yeah.
And one is the drilling and milling machines.
Yeah.
And now you see it is the smaller one, lathe, and the small milling and the drilling machine.
Yeah. Okay, so they certainly look very futuristic and modern. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. So, can you tell us a bit more about the future of SIEG? So, what sort of what move you will do and what sort of focus?
Yeah. Okay. This is what I always thinking. This is related to the future of SIEG. Yeah. And the customers, they are changed.
Yeah.
And the younger generation is growing and growing up. Yeah. So they are not so good at mechanical things. They are more good at using the electrical equipment. Yeah. So we need face to these changes. So our next step is add more electrical, half automatic, easy using on these machines.
Yeah. So to attract more younger buyers.
We keep the performance first.
Yeah.
And then we add more and more electrical parts on it.
Yeah.
Just like you see the car.
Yes.
In the past, they are very simple, just to drive.
Yeah.
And now you can see more and more electrical controlled.
Yeah. Automatic gearbox.
Yes.
Autopilot. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I noticed that, with these two machines, for example, we have the digital things already installed.
Yes.
So
Yes.
they are meant to be easier for the new hobbyists
Yes.
to get out the machine quicker.
Yes.
Is that right?
I think so.
Yeah.
We are in the time of the older generation and the new generation.
Mm-hmm.
So we found it is more like okay. Next one.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Mao, we also heard some rumors
Yeah.
over the years. A lot of customers, they believe all the Chinese metal mini lathes and mini mills are from the same factory. And, I was a bit confused as well. Can you tell us a bit more about the industry? Yeah, how you look at this.
Okay.
It's a bit confusing, isn't it?
Yeah. First, I should explain the business model of us.
Mm.
We are an ODM factory.
Mm-hmm.
That means the original design. We designed all this machine.
Yeah.
But when we receive order,
Mm-hmm.
we have to use the brand. Most of the products use the brand of our distribute, our dealers brand.
Dealers,
So
yeah.
you can see in the market, many different brands
Mm-hmm.
are made from us.
Mm-hmm.
We have in America we have Harbor Freight,
Yeah.
Eastwood,
Yeah, yeah.
Grizzly.
Yeah.
We make for them.
Yeah, yeah.
Use their brand, their colors, and also in Europe also the same thing.
Mm.
But not all from us.
Okay.
I found in Amazon and in
Yeah.
eBay some
Yeah.
very low cost
Yeah.
product. Of course, they not from us,
Okay.
not from us, and I can't get commit.
Yeah, comment. Yeah. So, because it's very difficult to,
Yeah, it's difficult to recognize which is from
Yeah.
SIEG, which is not.
Yeah. So I suggest all the customer go on SIEG's website and under the distributor list, if you buy the machines from a distributor's, one of SIEG's distributor, so that will guarantee it's a SIEG, isn't it?
It's the end user their choice.
Yeah.
I can't convince all the customers just purchase the machine
Yeah.
from us.
Yeah.
But we are like we just discussed.
Mhm.
We are more focused on quality.
Yeah.
That means less trouble when you use the machine.
Yeah, and
So,
local support. is
yeah,
important.
yeah.
Because it's
So-
still an investment for
Yeah.
for a lot of people. Yeah.
Yes.
So, all right. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Mr. Ma.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to
Thank you.
Australia.